Good morning to everyone. I am Ramandeep Kaur from Akal Academy, Dyalpur, Mircha. Students, today we will learn through cartoons. So you all have to read the cartoons carefully and tell the answers of the questions. So firstly, look at the cartoon and read about what is written here and tell me on the basis of this cartoon who is more powerful. The leader is more powerful or the voter is more powerful. Who is more powerful? So we can say on the basis of this cartoon the voter is more powerful. So now look at the second cartoon and tell me, is it happens in reality? Do most leaders fulfill their election promises? Can you tell me on the basis of this cartoon? What is the situation of voter? So what is the reality? So now compare both the cartoons and tell me who is more powerful. The leader is more powerful, we can say on the basis of this cartoon. And which picture of cartoon depicts the reality? Obviously the second one cartoon picture. So can you guess what we will learn today? In this, an accurate picture of what happens to the voter before and after elections. Must this always happen in a democracy? Can you think of examples when this did not happen? So the answer of all these questions we will find in today's topic. So what is our today's topic? Can you guess? Our today's topic is related to election, or our today's topic is electoral politics. So what we will learn in this video? In this video we will learn about why do we need elections. Can you tell me, students, why do we need elections? So okay, let us imagine what happens if there is no democracy, or what happens a democracy without elections. A rule of the people is possible without any election if all the people can sit together every day and take all the decision, but it's not possible. It's not possible to take decision together, and it's not possible to sit together every day, because nor everyone have the time and knowledge to take decision on all matters. So therefore in most democracies people rule through their representatives. So this is the answer. Why do we need elections? We need elections to choose our representatives that makes decision for us. So is there a democratic way of selecting representative without elections? So let us think of a place where representatives are selected on the basis of age and experience, or a place where they are chosen on the basis of education or knowledge. There could be some difficulty in deciding on who is more experienced or knowledgeable. But let us say the people can resolve these difficulties. Clearly, such a place does not require elections. So, what can we call this place a democracy? How do we find out if the people like their representative or not? How do we ensure that these representatives rule as per the wishes of the people? How to make sure that those who the people don't like do not remain their representative? So the answer of all these questions we will find in the election mechanism. Why? Because this requires a mechanism by which the people can choose their representative at regular intervals and change them if they wish to do so. So we need elections to choose a representative, or we need a flexible election mechanism that we can change the representatives if we don't like them. So this is why we need elections. So in an election, the voters can make many choices, like the voters can choose who will make laws for them, and the voters can choose who will form the government and who will take major decision. The voter can also choose the party whose policies will guide the government and whose policy will guide the government for law making. So this is the answer of why do we need elections. So can we recall it? We need a proper mechanism of election to choose our representative that do work for us, that make policies for us, or that runs the government, because it's not possible to every day that all can sit together or make decisions. That's why we need election, but we need a flexible election mechanism, because if we want to change our representative, so we can do so. Okay, so this is why we need elections. Now can you do you think your vote makes a difference? Here I have a data about from the source of National Election Study 2004 CSDS data that tell us about how much difference our vote makes. So our vote makes difference 67%. It's found in National Election Study 2004. So here I have one activity. I want to assign this activity for you. So today, find out about when the last assembly election was held in our state, which other election have taken place in your locality in the last 5 years. So write down the level of elections, national level, assembly level, or panchayat level. So when were they held, and name the designation also. So find out about all the questions and write the answers on A4 page and send me this activity work within 2 days. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.